In this tutorial, we will learn about how to use gradients to blend images together. In order to bring in the effect of blending one photograph into another can be achieved easily through the gradient tool. We have to use the gradient tool in the layer mask. We will use these two documents for which we'll select them from Bridge and then choose Tools, Photoshop and load files into Photoshop layers. This instructs Bridge to send those documents to Photoshop and group them in the same document. We will notice that the top layer is the door knocker and the layer below it is the incense layer. And by clicking on the eye icon, we can always switch the visibility on and off. Now, what we want is the door knocker to slowly fade into the incense layer below it. So, we shall add a layer mask by going to the bottom of the layers panel and clicking on the mask icon, which adds a white mask. Then, we'll either choose the gradient tool from the toolbar or by tapping the G key. We'll ensure that the gradient tool is set to its default by right-clicking on the gradient icon and choosing Reset tool. We'll tap the D key so as to get our default colors. And that puts white and black as my foreground and the background respectively. By looking at the preview of gradient, we can see that we are going to start with white, gradually fade that into black. So, if we start dragging our cursor from its position on the left hand side to the right hand side, it will be visible on the left hand side and slowly fade and into the black of the layer mask. And if we take a look at the layer mask, we can see it going from white to black. And if we hold down the Alt key, we can tap on that layer mask to view it. Again, click on the eye icon to view the image. If we ever want to temporarily disable a layer mask, we just have to hold down the Shift key and click on the mask. There, it's disabled. We'll click again to enable it, and since the layer mask is selected, we can experiment with the gradient tool to decide on what blend feature best suits the images to blend together, and we can also switch to the other gradients. In this case, let's take a look at the radial gradient. Since we will be dragging from white to black, we'll start from center of the top layer and then drag out to create our radial gradient. We can see a preview of that in the layers panel in the layer mask, and we see the end results in the image area. To invert a mask, we should just click on the properties panel and choose the invert button. We'll click it again so that we can invert it again and then close the properties panel. So now we are familiar with an easy way to blend images using Photoshop.